Hey, Tom Hegna here. Just wanted to share with you my ideas. I say that all the anti-annuity dominoes have fallen. I mean, think of how many times over the years somebody told you, I don't need an annuity, I got rental property. Well, how's that working out? Renters don't have to pay rent and landlords can't evict. There was something out there that said like 40% of the landlords are losing a lot of money in this thing. So rental property cannot substitute for a lifetime income annuity. Then people would say, oh, I believe in laddered bonds. Yeah, how are laddered bonds going to work when the 10-year treasury is at 60 basis points? I mean, you got the 30-year bond at 1.3%. Laddered bonds aren't going to work. Well, then people say, oh, I buy dividend-paying stocks. That's the solution. Yeah, have you seen the hundreds of companies that have slashed or eliminated their dividends? Some of them have not touched their dividends since World War II. And then people go, oh, I buy tax-free municipal bonds. Oh, did you read the Barron's article recently that said, because of Corona, many of these municipalities now are in very severe financial problems and that, you're going to see multiple defaults on municipal bonds. And so, look, don't fall for those fallacies. When people give you excuses like that, there is no excuse. If you're in retirement, you need to cover your basic living expenses in retirement with guaranteed lifetime income. That's what every PhD that studied retirement. They don't say do laddered bonds. They don't say do rental property. They don't say do dividend paying stocks. They don't say any of that. You've got to cover your basic living expenses in retirement with guaranteed lifetime income. And I think we've seen why with this virus. Now, I'm not against dividend paying stocks. I'm not against real estate. They do fit. But they fit in part two. Once you have your basic living expenses covered, your paycheck, then you can invest to protect yourself against inflation. That's the paycheck. And that's where those products fit. So I am not against ladder bonds. I'm not against real estate. I'm not against dividend paying stocks. But they have to be in the right spot. And they cannot replace a lifetime income annuity to at least cover those basic living expenses in retirement. So those are my thoughts for you today.